What's up, Pack? We are back with another video. Today, it's a lazy Sunday morning, so we're just gonna eat. We came to Nami.
Careful, puppy.
And we got some breakfast food. I guess this is brunch. It's currently 11:25, and now we're just gonna eat and talk. So if you like that kind of stuff, here you go.
You gotta show them the...
Yeah, I'll show you what we got. This is what I got right here. Bam, vegan, chicken, and waffles. Or waffle, singular.
It's just one.
Just one waffle.
Waffle.
What did you get, bro? ¿Qué agarraste? He got the usual, the biscuits and gravy. That's what he loves. Biscuit. You got orange juice right there. Wife gets her fix of her chai tea latte. And then we got some papas right there. And then that little box right there has a nipple bar. Damn, look at that line, bro. What up, Pack?
What up, Pack? What up?
You want a piece of chicken next time?
Yeah, let him try it.
Okay, aquí te va.
No.
Oh, he don't want it.
He doesn't like trying nothing.
Wow.
Is that good, papi?
There's dipping hot sauce right here. I
Oh,
think that's sriracha.
probably.
Maybe not. No, it's not red enough.
Ketchup, no?
No, it's not ketchup.
Because they make their ketchup here.
It's not catsup.
Go.
Let's go. We're eating, puppy.
Yeah, we eating, bro. Dip it in the sauce.
Is it hot sauce?
It's
Oh, is it really hot?
it's not that bad.
So it's kind of bad?
No, it's not that hot.
The chicken is good.
Watch, try it.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
There's like people looking at us weird right now because the parking is very scarce. Scarce, yeah. And there's no parking here. It's really packed. So they just see us eating in here and they give us a mad dog face. They're like,
can we?
"Why are you eating in the parking lot?" Yeah, get out. It's like, bro, this is my spot.
Yeah. Should have came earlier.
Automatopia. Ah.
A ver, amor, dilo.
Lately, he's been copying everything that.
Oh,
there you go,
know,
copying.
right now, babe, he was trying to go on the car seat by himself, and he couldn't. And you know what word he used again?
The F word?
The F word. And I was like, I said, don't use that word. And then he's like, what? And then he said it again. And I was like, yeah, that one, don't use it. And then he kept saying it. I was like, where did you get it from? No me dijo.
Probably got it from me. I'm a potty mouth.
Because I never say that word. I say the S word, but he hasn't like
What S word? Small.
the, you know, oh chetos. No, we usually say oh chetos. And last time he was like, oh chetos. You heard him?
Yeah, I heard.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm about to dip this Big Daddy boss right here.
It's so funny because in the morning when we woke up, he woke us up. Axel woke us up and he's like, let's go. He wanted to come have breakfast.
Like, this wasn't in the plans.
Yeah, we weren't gonna come, but then this little one.
What the heck? Hey.
I know, I'm trying to get it with one hand. But it survived. Está hot. ¿Te gustó? ¿Sí? ¿Sí te gustó? Okay, vamos a ponerlo aquí, okay?
Lately, Axel's been on this habit of like not wanting to be in the car seat.
Oh, te limpio. Do you have
And when we
napkins
put
here?
them,
No te dieron?
yeah, they're in there.
Oh. Okay, papi, hold on.
And when we put him in the car seat, he throws the biggest tantrum. Doesn't stop crying. Yeah, I'm talking about you.
He just wants to be out and about. Like, he cries when we're home. Like, as soon as he wakes up, he's like, let's go.
Oh, a big bite. Big daddy bite. Damn, this chicken and waffles is bomb. With the sauce.
I haven't tried the waffle,
Chicken.
but the chicken's good.
Yeah, chicken.
Uh-oh, puppy. Ah! So you guys, we're going to Vegas this weekend.
Maybe, depends. But most likely, yes.
Depends on what we
You just never know, yeah.
Well, we have to know for sure because they want my mom to work. And she's saying that if we're not going, to let her know now so that she can
Well,
work.
that's what I'm saying. Like, the plans are to go,
Yeah.
but you just never know what like happens last minute.
Pick out your sauce. You want that, right? Yeah, so we're planning on going because my brother-in-law, he had open heart surgery. And we haven't gone to Vegas ever since we got engaged. It's been around 3 years, huh?
Has it?
Yeah, we haven't gone back. We went like on my 21st birthday. So the last time we went, I was like 21.
21.
And I was about to turn 25. So we haven't gone to Vegas in a good minute. And right now we think it's a good time to go because my brother-in-law got surgery and he's doing.
Shout out to Paulo.
Yeah, shout out to him. He's doing
You a
really
trooper.
good. He's recovering and he's already walking and stuff like that. So that is really good. But we want to go see him and take my mom because my mom really wants to go, and my brother and brother-in-law can't go because they work. So ¿quieres mi hand? So we plan on going. Con favor de Dios, we'll be there this weekend. Amor, careful, te me vas a caer. Axel woke up a little constipated.
Yep.
Why do you think? Do you think it was the lemonade from the year? A lot of sugar?
I doubt it.
He hardly gets constipated. But, you know, once in a while babies do get constipated. Depends on, like, what they eat and stuff. And, usually when he gets constipated, we like to give him aloe vera juice with apple juice mix. Or we make him a green juice with the aloe vera juice. The aloe vera, you can't really taste anything when you... Can I try the...
Oh, yeah.
Mommy,
The whole thing in there.
mommy, mommy.
I'm on.
You need your help.
Let me see. ¿Quieres probarlo?
No,
¿Por qué no? It's waffle.
no,
Okay, no pues.
mommy.
Usually, like, we always, like, think about traveling because Axel is really bad in the car. He doesn't do good with long car rides. But we're trying to leave, like, early in the morning, so he's still, like, asleep. And he doesn't feel the ride.
Yeah, he can barely handle a 30-minute trip from Tulsa to Tempe.
Actually, when he was younger, when we went to Rocky Point, but we actually didn't stay, he did really good. I'm pretty sure that if my mom goes with us, he'll do good. Because my mom keeps him entertained. But if it's just us, because he's really close to my mom and his mom, and if they're in the car with us, he's chill. But yesterday, oh my god, we had to pull over And then when he gets in that kind of mood where he starts crying or he gets in trouble or anything like that, he asks for the boo. He's like, Chichi, mommy, Chichi. So we had to pull over.
Mommy, boo. Mommy, boo.
Oh, now you want to be in your chair?
Mommy, mama.
Mande. Mande. Otra bite. What time do they open Nami on Fridays or Saturday?
Saturday? At 7? 7:30?
I was gonna say, but it's like the opposite. To stop by to get like a coffee and a muffin and stuff and then head to Vegas, but it's like the opposite route. They should have a Nami on that side. Instead of the car wash that they're building.
You want this last piece?
Oh yeah.
Mama.
That's Daddy.
Oh God.
Oh God.
No.
Aquí hay. Not too much like sugar, and then it has the protein.
Hey, wait. You want some more? I'll give you some more. Espérate.
Okay, the one you gave me the first time, I couldn't taste. What is this,
¿Ya no
maple
quieres?
syrup?
Yeah. Hey,
What's your guys' favorite breakfast? Like plate.
comment down below.
What's yours, baby?
Mine would have to be breakfast was?
Baby rice.
He's even copying my life. Hey.
Careful with the juice, papi.
Con el
Daddy,
juice.
mommy, daddy, mommy,
Are you like chilaquiles?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna say that.
Hmm?
He wants more.
Okay, más. No, he doesn't want.
No.
There's a long line.
Yeah, like I like Nami food-wise, but location,
Oh yeah.
it sucks. Like it's very tight. There's like no parking, and even the actual like restaurant inside, it's very small. It's super cramped. So I always get anxiety when I come. Anxiety and excitement.
Mas?
Excited to eat, but
That's why we like to get it and just eat in the car.
yeah, we in the car.
Because we live kind of far, not too far, but it is a drive. It's not like down the street, and by the time we get home, it doesn't it's not the same. So we just eat in the car, and then Axel, you know, he wants the food right away, so it's easier just to stop and like eat on the go.
Go.
The go. I don't like to stuff my mouth. Oh God.
That's why it always takes Leslie like an hour to eat.
Okay, ¿ya terminaste?
Little bites and
I
not
like to take
frequent.
my time.
Yeah,
Like
that's why
chewing
your
my
food always gets cold.
It does, and then I'm used to it though because like I serve
And
myself food.
you know
and
who I
stuff.
notice is like that too? Her mom.
Yeah, my mom eats little.
My God.
Little.
She picks at it, moves it around, eats, then does the same thing, just moves it around, gets up, goes, does something, comes back, eats it.
Mama.
But she never throws anything away. She always like saves it for later.
No.
Oh my God, bro, what?
No. Wait.
Wait.
Mama.
It's funny because he'll want one and he'll be like, Daddy, and if he doesn't listen or he doesn't come, he'll be like, Babe,
Call me babe.
or like yelling at him. You guys, we're obsessed with the song
Otro trago.
Otro Trago by who? What's her name?
Sech?
Oh yeah, that's
Otro trago. Comment down below what song you've been playing on repeat the past 2 days, and we'll listen to it.
Look, they were throwing some fireworks right now.
Yeah, so today we came to downtown Tolleson. And we have some pretty good seats here.
Front row seats.
Front row seats. We're not actually in the park that they're doing the fireworks, but we're in a very good spot where we can see it. Here, let me show you. Passing that truck, it's like on that side over there.
Wait, is it gonna get the music playing in the background?
No. Yeah, there's a bunch of people here. Axel. Axel.
Hey, te habla daddy.
Axel. ¿Cómo que no?
What's up, Wolfpak family? No, what's up, family?
My mother-in-law's over there trying to order some little something.
She didn't bring delitos. Kind of like bummed out because we want chorizo. You know or you don't know?
Yeah.
What are you? Oh, look right there. What are you guys doing for 4th of July? Are you behind that tree?
We'll try to get as much footage as possible. So.
So yeah.
This lighting is bomb.
Do you think so?
I don't think so.
I don't.
You have like a nice brown hue.
That's an ugly face.
Axel.
Say hi, puppy.
Hi, puppy.
Hi,
Hola,
puppy.
So we're just waiting for the fireworks.
Axel is trying to go outside. He's trying to go outside, so no vas a tirar.
No. He'll throw the shoes outside so he can go outside.
Yeah, he's a smart kid. Ow!
Looks like they kicked this guy out. He's gone.
The one with the maleta.
Yeah, the girl kicked him out or something. Because there's some apartments over there.
And he's walking fast.
He's walking fast. He's walking like he's mad. Yeah, he kicked his ass out. Babu.
Se ve más la mancha del espejo que los verdes. Yo pensé que iban a hacer ahí. Yo también. Voy a salir a girar ahorita. Voy a empezar a girar. What's up, Wolfpak fam? It's another day. And look what Axelito is taking mama pictures. Axelito is a new photographer of the family. Look. Wow. Look. Tómale, papá, tómale. Wow.
Ahora tú vente. Pero tú eres el festejado, no yo. Ahora tú, ven. Ahora yo una a ti. Ten el dos. Yo te tomo una. Dame el celular, yo te tomo una.
¿Qué te sientes? Dice. Ay, vas a estar todo el día.
A ver. Mira cómo está. ¡Wow! ¡Qué buen fotógrafo, mi amor!
Axel is the cutest. I can't. Tomame foto, chi.